from JakeTheStockGuy.com. Let's get right into today's video. Daily recap, $540 profit. Aapl and GME, negative $20 loss, whatever. I also have another account where I took Facebook, and that was also a profit, I think 20%. So $670 on the day in total. So let's go to the charts. Go to Aapl. We'll look at Aapl and Facebook. So Aapl at the open, nice flush, and we were coming up on this. Let me get my pointer. We were coming up here on this pretty low on the RSI around 25. I said, hey, let's take a crack at it. Bought the dip, sold probably around here, pushed up a little higher, but that's okay. Profits are profits. Take the money and run, because look, it came right back down, up, down, up. So this is just killing premiums on the weekly expiration options. You want to be quick in and out operation with weekly expiration options. That's Facebook, and then let's go to, or that's that's Aapl. Let's go to Facebook. So I bought wow, all the way up to 270.50. So calls ended up getting in the money. I always sold this spike. It's okay, because then it came back down and was like, I would have been just like shit. And then nice pop, nice push all the way up to here. So, nice trend today. Nice steady trend. You could have traded this. 3 times with weekly options. You could have bought the open, sold, bought back, sold, bought back, sold. And I like to go $1 out of the money with weekly expiration options. Not really focusing. I mean, I do look at big picture, trend lines and, gap windows, gap fills. But, yeah, today was great. Today was a good day. I'm happy. This whole week's been great for the group. If you're new to this channel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I release a new video, because there's a lot of value, a lot of education you're going to be getting here with me on this channel. So look forward to having you for the future and your long-term success as a trader. And GME. GME was like, it's got a short ratio. I've traded it before. I wish I would have bought the morning dip, but you can't have eyes on everything in the market. So I was chasing it up here, came back a little bit, and I said, you know what, just get me out of this. I just gonna be done, happy with my profits for the day. $1,000 a day is like, where's my calculator? $1,000 a day is, oh no, not that. Where's my calculator? So there's 5 days. Well, there's a couple holidays in the year, but, for simple math, let's just times 5 times 4 times 12. Guys, that's 240 grand a year. Okay, this shit adds up. Don't try and hit a home run every single day. Take $500 to $1,000 profits if you have a small account, 5 grand, and just do that every single day. Stay green. $1,000, $500, $1,500. This shit adds up, okay? Excuse my French. Yeah, it was just a nice day, quick trades, in and out. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Quick video. Not much going on end of the year, but I hope you guys are staying safe from the whole COVID stuff. You're with your loved ones, your family members, enjoying this this Christmas season. It's not the most epic one, I have to say, but thanks so much for being a member. If you're not, you can click on the link below in the description. You can sign up for your 14-day free trial. and look forward to seeing you on the charts. God bless.